Amy Taylor, and welcome to Included. This is our way of keeping you informed of what God is doing here at Life Worship Center.
My Marriage Ministry presents My Cruise 2020. Set sails on the high seas as we cruise the Eastern Caribbean, where everything alright. With stops along the way to the Dominican Republic, St. Thomas, San Juan, and the Grand Turk on October 10th through October 18th, 2020. Prices have been reduced. Cabin spots are selling fast. A deposit of $100 per person is due by January 31st. Please text My Cruise to 919-756-7933 now to get all the important details and instructions. My Cruise 2020. The sermon series for Tag and Emerge Ministries is Family Matters, and it comes from 1 Corinthians 13:4. Love suffers long and is kind. Love does not envy. Love does not parade itself. It is not puffed up. Tag Life will be holding a fundraiser for technology on February 1st through the 29th. Please donate or give your best donation. Be sure to share this info with family and friends about Tag Life raising money for technology. You may contribute through offering, online, or simply text TAG to 919-756-7933.
Hi, it's Hannah Hart here. I can hardly wait until Valentine's Day, when my husband Harry and I cordially invite all of you all to be guests at our annual Hannah and Harry Hart Valentines Day Soiree in Garner. I just cannot wait. We welcome you. We welcome you. We welcome you, Life Worship Center. We welcome you. I can hardly wait. I can just see it now. Everyone decked out in their awesome Valentine's Day apparel for this evening of wonder. It's just going to be great. And you are our special guests, and we can hardly wait to see you. So again, it's the Hannah and Harry Hart annual Valentine's Day Soiree. I'm Hannah Hart. We can't wait to see you on Valentine's Day.
Thank you, Miss Hart, and we shall see you there. As you just heard, Miss Hart has invited you to be a special guest for the Harry and Hart Murder Mystery Dinner on February 14th at 6:30 p.m. at the Heather Hills Club, 901 Claymore Drive in Garner. Come experience a night where we dine and solve a mystery around the table by candlelight. Please dress to impress. Sherlock Holmes detective attire is optional. There will be a 3-course meal, door prizes, DJ dance floor, line dance contest, photo booth, and experimental toast. Bring your significant other out. Tickets will be $30 per person. Welcome to Life Worship Center, where we meet you where you are. And where we would love to meet you is in our new members classes that will be held on February 9th, 16th, and the 23rd at 9:15 in the large conference room. If you are a new member, please text CONNECT to 919-756-7933 and register and plan to attend. Childcare and light refreshments will be provided.
Here at Life Worship Center, we'd like to wish everyone celebrating a birthday during the month of February a very happy birthday. We wish for you on your birthday that whatever you ask, that you receive. Whatever you seek, shall you find, and whatever you wish for, may it be fulfilled on your birthday. And as always, happy birthday. Congratulations on another year spent together. Wishing you an anniversary as special as the love that you two share. Happy anniversary to everyone celebrating an anniversary during the month of January. Thanks for watching. You're now included.